Hello guys, today we're gonna be fishing. Stop. Today we're gonna be fishing with this Goofy.
Hello.
Anyway. Oh, there's Clint. I wanna throw my glide bait first.
Why would you throw it?
I'm gonna
Oh!
bro.
Stupid, them things are expensive.
Bro, I'm surprised you're passing your classes.
I think everyone.
I don't know. Hey, Clint. Oh, shoot.
Catch anything?
Well, we just got here.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Fishing for a bass?
Yes, sir.
It might be a little big for the bass in here. Have you caught anything?
I've caught some big ones in here.
Really?
Some big ones, like 10 pounders.
Yeah.
Giant.
You ever heard of H&H?
I'm not sure.
It's like a spinner bait. They're super cheap. You can get them at like Walmart and stuff at H&H, and they got all different kinds. And man, they're like the best one you can get. So they got all different colors. So depending on the time of year, you know, they
Okay.
look really good. In fact, that's all I use.
All right.
Yeah. Stop by sometime and I'll give you one.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
All right, man.
All right. See ya. There we go. Where are my brakes at? My brakes are high.
I need a pair of scissors.
I got you. Hold on.
It kind of looks tasty. Can I jump in after it? I need flips and scissors.
Oh yeah. Here. Hold my rod.
Okay.
I got you. I think they're over here. No, they're not. Never mind. Here's these pliers.
Alright.
How fast are you reeling that?
Not fast.
Like, whatever.
I know how to work one. I'm not stupid.
Okay, I just didn't know.
I was doing what you were doing. You didn't really cast it that far.
Did you hear that?
What?
This sounded weird.
It's just me.
No, I'm not talking about you.
What was it?
I'm not sure. It sounded weird. Like, you know what I mean?
I guess.
It sounded like what we heard at the Chitty's Pond.
Oh, hell no.
You hear?
That's a flippin'
No, not the turkey. There was something else. It was before the turkey. It was something way before the oh, that's something big. Eat it. You'll probably hear it again. The heck? Oh, there's a leaf.
Oh, I thought you had actually caught a fish.
No.
From over off the end of that.
No. Wait, what'd you say you're gonna give me though?
What?
There's something you were talking about. I can't remember what. And you're like, oh, I have a couple. I'll just give you one.
He was talking about spinner baits.
Oh, that was. Yo, I'm tweaking.
Because I was like, I'm not hearing anything except a couple dove and a turkey.
No. I'm not tweaking about that though. I know I'm not.
I'm not trying to say it was a bird just like right off the bat, but I can say there are a hell of a lot of birds that sound stupid.
It was not a bird, guaranteed. Ain't no way. There's no way. How does that just come off? Bro, I don't even think you tied it on there. What did I? Oh, it synced. I thought I got something. I forgot.
I just watched it go up, up, up and away.
Well, look at this.
Falls off.
Nah.
That was stupid.
Well, I guess you gotta tie another one on.
Oh my gosh, I feel retarded.
Hold up. Do you know how to tie a polymer knot?
Yes.
Okay, tie a polymer knot. So that way it doesn't fly off. Ooh, I think I got hit. And there's something big right here that just came up.
Dude, I do that like concerningly a lot. I think it's just this line though, because I have other kinds of braided and I can use the same knot I do on the other one. Like I pulled a whole ass tree stump out on a knot. On this knot on this line with the same knot, sometimes I cast it off.
Oh, dang. I swear I got hit.
Who's hitting you?
Oh my god, bro.
No, I know.
This dude.
I know what you meant. It's a joke.
Oh, okay. Oh no, I got hit by the fish. Ooh, there's someone over there. Yo, they're all like right on this side.
I'm just gonna tie like 5 polymer knots in a row.
Well, that works.
It's gonna look ugly.
Here. Right there. Yo, it's actually like a lot warmer than I thought it was gonna be.
No kidding, bro. It's kind of chilly standing out there listening to your dad. though. Is that any good?
Huh?
PE4. Line.
You'll have to show me. Is it like some Chinese line?
It's Japanese. But like, a lot of stuff says PE.
Yo, see right in front of you? See?
Yeah, no, I saw that.
And you're not reeling that right. That's not how you use a jerkbait.
I worked it.
Not like that either, dingus.
Did I at least tie it on good?
Yeah, I guess. I do not know how you're not hearing this stuff, because I have like the worst hearing in the school, and I'm still hearing this
Yo, I
stuff.
have tinnitus.
What is that?
If you're like whispering and there's not enough like ambient noise, it's just a loud ringing, just like
Okay.
like the hearing test was so flippin' hard because a lot of the beeps sound like the beeps I just hear. Like I keep the volume up on my headphones full blast.
Oh.
Yeah. If you listen to too many gunshots and like loud crap without hearing protection, you get it. And some people are born with it, but I'm pretty sure it's just me being stupid as a kid. What, do you do it like this? What the Sigma do you do? Hold up, there's a leaf on it.
Hold on, I'll show you. Hold on, don't can't see it. Stop, bro, you're trying to hit me. Alright. Put this back. Stop. Okay. Hold my rod and let me see this. I may not be great at using a spinning rod. Hold on. Let me stop. Back leg behind me so that way I don't hit you. You're supposed to reel it a little bit and then.
Okay.
That's disgusting, bro. At least say excuse me.
Squeeze me.
And then you jerk it. You reel it slow and then jerk it every once in a while. See, because it looks like a baitfish dying. That's how you're supposed to use a jerkbait. Here, let me cast it out for you.
No.
Yo, this thing has barely any line on it.
know, bruh. Quit flaming me.
I'm not flaming you.
My backlash just being real, okay? No, I didn't actually. I don't think you can backlash, yo.
Oh, you can. And it's
You
bad.
know what? It might have been my grandpa.
Because I've done it before, but it was some cheap, like, Temu line.
It's rolling over, like barrel rolls. Okay.
Yeah.
Crap,
It-
looks retarded.
It might look retarded, but it looks like a baitfish dying.
Oh, I think I gotta hit it. No, it's the stick.
Yo, jerkbaits, if you use them the right way, they're, like, so good.
Oh yeah, there's just a ton of junk. Dude, I saw the fish over there that flopped. Like I saw the whole fish. I saw the fish's food. I want to tickle a fish.
Yo, this guy, bro. Are you not going to record with your GoPro?
Not yet. I got some teeth.
Oh, 3 piece?
That's why it's so tiny, dumb. Look at what I caught.
You caught your own rod.
Oh, and now I'm hooked.
Bro.
I can't even take it back.
Bro.
Dang, I got myself good.
Rip it out.
These are nice shorts. Oh, no, it's not that bad. I'm just not.
No.
Oh, this one's in there. That's what she said. Oh.
I thought it was a stick that fell in the water. Okay, that was just a bird, but
Verb.
I keep hearing stuff, bro. So weird. Another bird's gone.
So
Whee!
I was like, why did that go so far? I thought I was hooked there for a minute. Okay, there we go.
Did you get hit?
No.
Oh.
Sure.
That sounded weird.
Bro, look at the action on this thing. Oh, it undid it.
Yippee.
What do you mean?
Stop. Bro, I got lure phobia, bro. Those things will freaking, I've got whacked in the head so many times. Stop swinging it around.
I accidentally got my ears pierced by one once.
No.
From my grandpa, of course.
Of course.
Of course?
I said, of course. What are you doing?
Dancing to make the fish come.
To make the fish come?
Oh.
Bro.
Okay, I don't like this more.
Yo, I think you smacked the fish. I think I was hearing the correct things earlier.
What do you mean?
Like what we heard at the Chitties?
The gunshots?
No, we didn't hear a gunshot at the Chitties. We heard something weird, remember?
I literally just screamed. Ah!
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, because I was hearing stuff earlier. And I think that gunshot was like shooting at it.
You're stupid.
Maybe.
You're worse than half the YouTube conspiracy theorists. The sky is purple because the aliens are coming.
Bro, stop. You're gonna scare them.
But I want the fishies to love me. I'm giving them a pet and some food. Fishy!
That's mine. Stop it.
Fishy.
No, it's not a fish. You're ruining my video.
Your video?
Yes.
I wouldn't have half of this crap if your video is.
Yeah, it's gonna be posted on YouTube.
Oh no.
Yeah, you're gonna get posted on YouTube for being a goofy.
Hey, my channel is Bennett Taylor 59 with spaces. Come check me out. I do most of the same crap and welding.
Stop. You're getting the pond water in my mouth. Stop.
Dude, it tastes so good.
Bro, my fingers are cold.
I love pond water.
You're on YouTube.
Pond water. Dude, I do this stuff and make money from it.
You make money?
Yes.
I'm getting that on camera.
Took the crap out of my mouth.
Bro. Wait, how much do you make a week or a month?
$5.
How? No wonder you afford most of the stuff. Pretty soon you'll have enough to get a DC reel.
I already do, bruh.
You,
$104.
man, you need to start teaching me.
You gotta act stupid. You need viewer retention. If you go absolutely dumb, they're gonna be like, what the hell is this autistic guy gonna do next? I gotta keep watching. Maybe he'll hurt himself. And like, I accidentally burnt the crap out of myself in a welding video. I don't think I posted it yet.
On today's episode, I'm gonna be taking a firework launcher and covering it with my hand. My hand.
Exactly. If you go to the ER and what?
You hear it?
Yeah, I heard that. Sounded a little too deep. Go away!
Bro, this dude. Stop, bro. You're scaring me. And it's kind of annoying.
I'm gonna go change lures. I don't think they like this one.
Okay.
I'm gonna get one with splatter on top so it'll make a louder plop.
Bro, and also, I was hearing stuff from like over there, but just quieter. Oh shoot, my mom.
Sharks sound weird, I will say.
Hey, my mom said we had to be back to the house. Like, we had to leave as soon as the sun sets. And it just set. So I think we need to head back.
It ain't fully set.
Well, no, but it's going down.
Alright, give me a few more casts after I try to do it.
You got a couple more, and then we gotta head back. Cause also, I don't like hearing stuff, especially out here in the middle of nowhere.
No, I know, I get that. I totally get that.
Yo, oh my God, bro, the fish just jumped, and that scared the crap out of me. Cause it sounded like something like big. So
No,
I
I know.
think there's a big fish over there, and my hands are cold from that water going in my reel. Oh,
Is that a me thing or you thing?
what do you mean?
Me being dumb or you fishing?
Like, I'm confused.
Was it slapping the crap out of the water and splashing you, or were you?
Oh no, me fishing.
Okay. That was a bird. I heard exactly what you heard.
That was a chicken.
Oh yeah, that.
Yeah, that was a chicken.
No, I just got a normal crankbait.
Honestly, braided.
No, point the camera at me. I'm finna get you some extra views.
Okay, but
Go to his OnlyFans.
no, I don't own OnlyFans.
You don't?
No, I don't have
You
OnlyFans.
can make a clap. I really thought you should.
Ah,
You can make so much money.
I would probably make like.
You need to have 2 accounts though, just in case one of them fails. A gay one and a straight one.
What?
Dick and booty.
What? No! What?
I hope you have cat cut. You're gonna need to edit this.
I mean, like, I don't think I'm gonna edit it. I just can post it.
Immediately go make an OnlyFans.
Imagine if I post this and this becomes like my most viewed video, and I make like freaking $1,000 off of it.
Okay, you gotta give me some of that money because I twerked right on camera for you.
Maybe. Oh, I don't like back there over in those woods
Oh,
area.
hell no.
Cause yeah.
I don't care if there are huge fish up in there.
And no, literally I've been fishing over there one time and I literally looked back behind me.
That was a cow. When cows have babies.
Okay. But also I've what's it called? Back behind that fence, I looked back one time when I was fishing over there and there was this giant boar. And I was like,
Boars can kill you.
I know. That's why I was scared. I'm like,
Bacon!
boo! It's freaking, Yo, I want to start bringing my AR with me to come over here. Especially because there's freaking boars.
The illegal one or the okay one?
No.
Watch
No.
out. I'm finna do the triple whipple. My rod. My rod's intact.
Bro.
I've casted reels off.
Bro.
I got them back because they were still
Okay.
on
Bro. Bro literally took half of the grass behind him into the pond. Bro, also I hate that neighbor's place over there because he has like so much land, and that's mainly where all the wild animals and stuff are. And that's what makes it so scary going fishing over at his pond and being in that area.
Neil Armstrong?
No,
Oh.
it's a different dude.
Oh, dude. That was a bird.
Oh, that was a fish right there. See?
Oh.
And no, he has like, what's it called?
Eagles crow, but only hawks too.
No, because look, I think he's a crackhead. Because I've seen him. I've seen that dude walk along back through there before. And also, I've seen the truck and stuff he drives around on his land. He drives like a four-wheeler that's like in pieces. Like, I'm pretty sure it's missing a tire. And he just drives it around.
It's taking 1 damage every second, though.
No, because he leans on one side so it doesn't touch the ground.
Man, I wish Fortnite cars could do that.
That better make me some money.
What are these things called squawking birds?
You mean guineas?
No, squawking birds.
What?
Like it's just a pint-sized bird, but they just go.
What the? Oh my
Noisy as
god.
hell. I shoot them whenever I can. I don't know if it's legal though.
Probably not. I'd eat that thing, bro. I bet it tastes good.
There's no meat.
Oh.
There's.
Do you hear that?
I don't want to go home.
Yeah, I think we should head back now.
Like they're just noisy as hell. Beautiful birds, like they fly in the trees.
Yeah.
And they're loud. Imagine my sister is a bird and less fat.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I think we're going to end the video here. Stop, you're going to attract whatever's making that horrible noise.
When they see me, they're gonna run.
I don't think so. Anyway, all right, I think we're gonna end the video here.
Watch, Pliers always stab into the ground.
Peace.